construction corner number 12. As you can see, a little bit elevated today for this construction corner. They finished the berm out here in the front, leading into what's going to be the Shuster Family Courtyard. Everything's coming together really quickly out here now as we're coming close to the end of this project, looking to end somewhere around the middle of August. I can't wait for that completion date. You can see we're still missing a couple of the new olive trees that are going to be coming out here in the next couple weeks. Landscaping will be filled in, and the beautification of this area will just continue to go through the roof. Let's walk this way and see what else is going on this week. So the Shuster Courtyard continues to improve. As you can see, we're painting all of the cross beams currently. The Jerusalem stone has been finished being installed on this wall, waiting for the dedications to be put up, which should be in the next several months. This area has been painted and primed, ready for its final coat of paint. The doors should be installed and all of the security hardware as well over the next several weeks. Like I said, you're going to see a lot of change coming up as we start the installation of the fixtures and the final touches on this project. Really exciting out here. Wait till I show you what's going on inside. So in here we've got paint, we've got primer, we've got a guy on the cell phone, our electrician, talking about anything he needs to. But same thing in here. Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to see some quick improvement as the flooring goes in, the paint goes on the wall, and the final pieces of this project sort of tie everything together. What I'm most looking forward to in this space, however, is going to be these doors, which should come in over the next 2 weeks. We talked about creating this inside-outside space here, and these doors are really going to tie the space together. Can't wait to show you what happens next. Thank yous for this week. Thank you to Kraus Construction, who continues to manage this project on time. Thanks to my entire lay construction team, who helps me make sure I'm not making big mistakes. And thanks to all of our members. It's renewal time. We can't wait to have you back here in Temple Bat Yahm. High holidays this year are going to be in person. We can't wait to have you there. Friday night services, back in person. Can't wait to have you there. Have any questions, comments, or concerns? Your Temple Bat Yahm family is here for you. As always, stay well, stay healthy. Look forward to talking to you again soon.